Hello students, today our topic is a intermediate first year Maths 1B chapter 3 straight lines, 7 marks important questions. And here is the question is about the circumcenter. Find the circumcenter and given by the 3 sides. They given 3 sides of the triangle and asked to find circumcenter. So let us first read the question. Find circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So in this question they given 3 sides of the triangle. So let us draw first a triangle like this. Name it is a and this is the B vertices and this is the C vertices. Write the first equation is here x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is what first equation. And write the second equation here 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the second equation. And the third equation x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 is the third equation. They are given 3 sides of the triangle. So first we find these 3 vertices. So how we get this A vertices? To solve 1 and 3 we get A vertices, and solve 2 and 3 we get the B vertices, and solve 3 and 1 get the C vertices. So first we find the vertices of the triangle. So that's why I am going to solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2 to get A. So what is the first equation is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, and second equation is 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So without changing the symbols, here plus y and minus y gets cancelled, and x plus 5x is what? 6x, and plus 2 minus 2 also gets cancelled, is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 by 6. 0 by 6 is what? X is equals to 0 by anything is a 0. We get x is equals to 0. After get this x value, substitute in any one of the equation. Now I am substituting x value in equation 1. What is equation 1? 1 is a x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So in place of x, write 0 plus y plus 2 equal to 0. And it is y plus 2 equal to 0. Then y is equals to minus 2. This plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore, A is equals to, A vertices are 0 comma minus 2. This is the A vertices, 0 comma minus 2. Now I am going to solve second and third equation to get B value. Solve 2 and 3. What is the second equation? Is 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. And the third equation is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. There is no variables are equal. So for equal the x variable, I am multiplying the third equation with 5. And write the second equation as it is 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, and 5 into x is 5x minus 5 2s are 10y plus 5 5s are 25 equal to 0. Change their symbols. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. This plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. Minus y plus 10 is 9y. And minus 2 minus 25 minus 27 equal to 0. And write 9y is equals to minus 27 change to right side, that is plus 27. Then y is equals to 27 by 9. 9 3s are 27. So y is equals to 3. This y value we can substitute in second equation or third equation to get. Now I am substituting this y value in equation 2. So what is equation 2? Is 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. In this equation I am substituting y value is 3 minus 2 equal to 0, and 5x minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 equal to 0. So 5x is equals to this minus 5 becomes plus 5. So x is equals to 5 by 5. Then 5 ones are 5. X is equals to what? 1. Therefore, B is equals to, B vertices are 1, 3. These are the B vertices. 1, 3. Now, solve third and first equation to get C value. Solve 3 and 1. What is the third equation? Is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, and the first equation is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Change the symbols now. Minus, this plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. This x terms are cancelled, x and minus x. Minus 2y and minus y is minus 3y. Plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3 equal to 0. And write minus 3y as it is. Take this plus 3 to right side, that is minus 3, and both the sides minus minus cancel. So we can write now y is equals to 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. So y is equals to 1. So now substitute this y value in third equation or first equation to get x value. I am substituting this y value in equation 3. So what is the equation 3? Is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Here the third equation is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into y value is a 1 plus 5 equal to 0. X minus 2 ones are 2 plus 5 equal to 0. X minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3 equal to 0. So x is equals to this plus 3 becomes minus 3. So x is equals to what? Minus 3. Therefore, C vertices are minus 3 comma 1. This is the C vertices. C is equals to what? Minus 3 comma 1. Here the C minus 3 comma 1. So we find out A vertices as 0 comma minus 2 and B vertices 1 comma 3 and the C vertices minus 3 comma 1. After we got the 3 vertices of the triangle, we want to find out circumcenter. So what is the circumcenter? If the circle is past 3 vertices of the triangle, is called a circle, and its center is called circumcenter, and which is the circumcenter is equidistant to 3 vertices of the triangle. It means what? The distance of SA is equals to the distance of SB is equals to the distance of SC, because this is the radius. All the radius are equal in the circle. So now assume this circumcenter is XY. Now what do you want to do? SA is equals to SB is equals to SC. So first I am taking these two, and next I will take these two. See, first doing SA is equals to SB, distance between SA. So where S is equals to x comma y, and what is A? A is the 0 comma minus 2. Assume this is x1 y1 and take this is as x2 y2. The formula, distance formula of SA is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Make this is a box because it is a formula. Now in this formula substitute these 2 points. SA is equals to under root of x2. x2 is what? 0 minus x1. What is x1? x1 is a x whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 2 and formula minus y1. y1 is what? y whole square. So SA is equals to under root of 0 minus x is minus x whole square is x square, because minus square is a plus x square, and write this plus, and here 2 is having minus symbol and y is also having minus symbol. Take minus is common. So then minus of, it will be what? Minus of 2 plus y whole square. That minus square is a plus. Then what is left? 2 plus y whole square is left. So write SA is equals to under root of this x square is as it is, and expand this 2x plus y whole square, the formula of a plus b whole square. So a is 2 and b is y. For a square, write 2 square. 2 square is what? 4 plus b square, write y square plus 2ab, 2 to the 4 and y, 4y. Right now SA is equals to under root of an order x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. This is what? First equation. Now I am finding distance between SB, where S is x comma y and B is 1 comma 3. Take this is as x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in this formula substitute these 2 points. SB is equals to under root of, in place of x2 write 1 minus the formula minus x1, in place of x1 is x whole square plus y2, y2 is 3 minus y1 is y whole square. Now expand this 1 minus x whole square is in the formula of a minus b whole square, and it is also a minus b whole square. So is equals to under root of, in place of a is 1, in place of b is x. So a square is a 1 square is a 1 plus b square is x square minus for 2ab, 2 ones are 2, 2 into x is 2x. Here a is 3 and b is 1. For a square, write 3 square. 3 square is what? 9. Plus b square is what? Y square. Minus for 2ab, 2 3s are 6, 6 into y is 6y. Now write this is in order, under root of x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y, minus 2x minus 6y, and 1 plus 9 is what? 10. So this is what? The distance between SP. So this is the second. Now I am finding distance between SC, where S is x comma y and the C is, this one is C, minus 3 comma 1. Take this is as x1 y1 and it is a x2 y2. Right now distance formula of SC is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In this formula, substitute these 2 points. SC is equals to under root of x2. What is x2? Minus 3. And right now formula minus x1 is what? X whole square plus y2 is 1, y1 is y whole square is equals to under root of, here also these two values having minus symbol, take minus common, then minus square is what? Plus. So what will be the left? 3 plus x whole square plus it is 1 minus y whole square. Now this term expand in a plus b whole square and it is in a minus b whole square. So SC is equals to under root of, first I am expanding this 3 plus x whole square. In place of a is 3, in place of b is x. For a square, write 3 square. 3 square is what? 9. For plus, I wrote plus b square. B is what? X. X square. Plus 2ab. 2 3s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. Plus here I am expanding a 1 minus y whole square. In place of a is 1 and b is y. So for a square, write 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. Plus b square. Plus b square is what? Y square. Minus 2ab. 2 ones are 2. 2 into y is what? 2y. And next, write in the order form. SC is equals to under root of x square plus y square, and next x term is what? Plus 6x. Next y term is minus 2y plus 9 plus 1 is what? Plus 10. This is the third equation. After we find the distance between SA and SB and SC, we want to equate SA is equals to SB. So what is a SA? Distance is a under root of x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. This is the distance of SA is equals to, the distance of SB is what? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. 2 squaring on both sides. Then the roots will be cancelled. What will be left? X square plus y square plus 4y plus 4 is equals to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. Then we can cancel x square both the sides, and plus y square also we can cancel. And what are the left? 4y plus 4 is the left side is equals to minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is the right side. Take the right side terms to left side. This minus 2x becomes plus 2x, minus 6y becomes plus 6y, and this plus 10 becomes minus 10. And write this value same, plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. 2x, there is no more x term, that's what I am writing 2x as it is. And y terms, we are having two terms. So 6y plus 4y is 10y. And next constants, minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6 is equal to 0. We can take 2 common. If we take 2 common, x remains plus 2 5s are 10, y minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 0. Right, x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Take this 2 to right side, that is by 2. So x plus 5y minus 3 is equals to 0 by anything is a 0. It is now fourth equation. Now I am equating SP with SC. SB is equating with SC. What is SB? Distance is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 under root of x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equals to SC distance is what? X square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. Do squaring on both sides. The roots gets cancelled. So what will be remain? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equals to, the right side is also x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. Now we can cancel the x square terms both the sides and y square terms both the sides, and also plus 10 both the sides. So what are remaining is here, right? Minus 2x minus 6y, and take this plus 6x left side, that becomes minus 6x, and this minus 2y becomes plus 2y is equals to 0. Minus 2x minus 6x is minus 8x. Minus 6y plus 2y is minus 4y equal to 0. Here we can take minus 4 as common. So 2x is left there. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8, and x minus into plus is minus, and y equal to 0. So 2x plus y equal to 0. This minus 4 change to, take to right side, that becomes by minus 4. 2x plus y is equals to 0 by anything is what? 0. This is the fifth equation. Now I am going to solve fourth and fifth equations. Your fourth equation is x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0, and the fifth equation is 2x plus y equals to 0. For eliminating method, there is no variable is same. So for equate the x variables, I am multiplying the fourth equation is with 2. Then 2 into x is what? 2x plus 2 5s are 10, y minus 2 3s are 6 equal to 0. And the fifth equation is 2x plus y equal to 0. Now change the symbols, minus, this plus symbol change into minus. So this plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. 10y minus y is 9y. minus 6 equal to 0. Right, 9y is equals to minus 6 take to right side, that is a plus 6. Then y is equals to 6 by 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what is now y value? Is 2 by 3. Now we can substitute this y value in fourth equation or fifth equation. So which equation is simple equation? In that equation, substitute is better thing. So see here, it is a simple one. So that's what I am substituting this y value in fifth equation. So what is the fifth equation? 2x plus y equal to 0. In this equation, in place of y, I am going to substitute 2 by 3. Right, 2x as it is, plus y is what? 2 by 3 equal to 0. Right, 2x is equals to, take this plus 2 by 3 to right side, that is minus 2 by 3. Now write x as it is, minus 2 by, this 2 3s are what? 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, circumcenter S is equals to minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. This is the final answer. The circumcenter S is equals to minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So this type of problems I give you in the description. You try them to solve. If you are not able to solve them, so you comment me. I will do that problems in later new videos. Thank you.